Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by anchoring your baseline. Clarify 2 core values and note why they matter. Once done, quickly log the triggers that make you feel fragile and rate each one from 0 to 10 so you know where to start. Then commit to a short daily grounding routine, breathing, posture, or a mini meditation for 5 to 10 minutes. This small, steady practice reduces reactivity and primes your nervous system. Make sure to do it at the same time each day to build reliable momentum. Now you move into skill building. Start by practicing a cognitive reframe every time a fragile thought appears. Swap catastrophizing for a balanced alternative and notice the shift. Once comfortable, schedule regular low-risk exposures, a short, awkward conversation, cold shower, or challenging task to widen your tolerance. Also create a simple 3-step pause. Breathe, name the feeling, then choose your response. These habits rewire automatic reactions into deliberate actions. Finish by integrating changes into your routine and measuring progress weekly so you can adjust one habit at a time. If things go wrong and you feel fragile again, use a quick 10-minute reset. Grounding breath, one cognitive reframe, then a micro-action to regain agency. This step restores momentum and reduces shame. Finally, celebrate small wins and create a simple ritual to reinforce new behavior. By consistently choosing small corrective actions, you transform fragility into steady resilience over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.